The perfect ranch sitting on slightly over 5 acres with a stocked pond. Massive full unfinished basement with built-in bar and plumbing for a half bath. Spacious open floor plan features a formal dining room, cathedral ceilings and built-ins. Fully commissioned eat-in kitchen has a separate produced sink, double oven, high-top bar seating and plenty of cabinets. 3 main level access exits to the covered deck. King-sized master suite comes with 2 separate walk-in closets, jetted tub, double sink vanity and walk-in shower. Sizeable utility/mud room. Generous size spare bedrooms. Vast bonus room with walk-in attic access. Sold as is, seller will consider VA and FHA repairs.